close because it puts out.
Keely.
Cat.
Keely, Keely. Should we call her Femi? Or Isis?
There you go. This is what's gonna get her.
Don't say
We should tie it to there.
Yeah, well no, because we are always pulling it out too.
Yeah, no, but just a light tie, that way she could... She's a jumper.
See how high she is.
You want to see how high?
Look, she's so cute. She's tired of it.
Is that what kind of food we got? Was it Chinese bag?
Not the bagged. We got a couple of the little cans though. But it's wet food.
You gotta be careful with all this cat hair. Man, she's having fun in here. Wait till she gets out in the living room.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. Should we take that feather so she doesn't swallow it?
She should be smart enough. Hey.
It's stuck.
We should get some water.
Yeah.
I was gonna tie it, but yeah, we need to. Maybe get another one.
Maybe find a way to, yeah, I wonder if we need to just get a hook and stick it on the wall.
See what she's wanting to go. You know what? Here, when you take it off, just. David.